eyes! Woo! Ah!
No, not if you're going to use it to light off more smoke bombs. Yeah, you got to watch the grand finale, buddy.
Wow.
Yeah, that's what we've been
Here we
saying
go.
the entire time. They hit somebody's house over there.
Here we go. Time for the 2-minute finale.
I don't know.
What was over there burning?
We set the field on fire with our very first firework.
That looks good. That's far away.
The fire was put
So
out
then it
right
doesn't hurt our ears or eyes.
Yeah.
Nice watch, Jay.
Here we go.
Good watching everybody.
Wow. Woo! Lights up the entire sky.
Best show in town.
Everything is awesome. Is there another one? We're gonna see. Wow. That was our neighbor. Wow. Holy crap! Woo! There's more over there. There's 2 of them happening at the same time. There's a lot of fireworks going off right now. What is that?
You seem like he might be mad.
Here's the grand. I think it might be over. Or this might be the grand finale.
I think we don't care if his dog is in a corner pooping his pants. Nobody cares. Put a thunder vest on him and move on. I think he might be a person that like one of their.
Yeah, sucks my weenus.
What? All right, this is the grand finale. Last one. Everybody's been waiting for this 2 days because it's July 6th.
Like I genuinely, they were coming over my head and I thought I was gonna get it.
Let's turn on the light. Ooh.
Are they done?
All right. So this is where I'm just sitting in a chair.
So the got some more fireworks.
Stop driving fast, you Nimrod.
There's this stoop that's driving by. So this is where we are. Neighbors are over there. So all right. And then they're lighting off fireworks to our left.
All right, get all the kids. Let's start getting all this here, all this stuff you guys set off. Kick it over here to this side of the road. So we can
All right.
You gotta get it out of the road though. That was you, Brady.
Are you listening?
Yeah. All right. Bye.